Our channel has reached 500,000 subscribers, and that's great. There are a lot of people who are just here for the giveaway. Right now, I've started making videos after ordering the cubes. I've ordered the cubes, and we'll do a giveaway of 5 aerobics cubes. Now, I don't know when they'll arrive. It will take at least 2 weeks, so please wait for 2 weeks. Currently, my channel has around 504,000 subscribers, and I'm making this video at this time. Yes, it's 12 at night right now, and at this moment, let's do the giveaway for 500,000 subscribers. But now, it will take 10 days for them to arrive. I wanted to do it exactly at 500,000. I've placed the order, but what else will we do along with that? I need to think about it daily. Because a lot of the traffic coming to my channel is from TikTok, I have more than 110,000 subscribers on TikTok. A lot of traffic is coming from there. And besides that, my new subscribers who are coming from shorts. Many subscribers come from shorts. Altogether, during the day, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, I get around 300 comments or messages from people asking, "Brother, I can't solve the cube, teach me how to solve it." Even though I have 2 or 3 videos on my channel from which hundreds of thousands of people have already learned how to solve the cube. Now, what's happening here is that there are countless people who want to learn how to solve the cube, and on my channel there are also people saying they want to learn speed solving. That means this 3x3, my current level is 10 to 11 seconds when I'm warmed up. So a lot of people want to learn speed solving. I tell them, man, there's a playlist on my channel called 3x3 Tutorials Beginners to Advance. Go and watch that, but they say, make a new one, seriously. Many people say to read the comments, but they often get lost or scattered among many others. You guys can get an idea from this. This month there were 120 million views or maybe even more, so just imagine how many comments there must be, so that's the whole point. A complete series on 3x3 speed solving is coming, which I think will have 10 videos from learning how to solve the cube to speed solving it in 10 to 11 seconds. Even sub 10 because my level is sub 10. It's just that I don't use the terminology look ahead. I've practiced it, so I was waiting for that. Once we have a decent audience, now I think we have 500,000 subscribers, so we can say it's decent. Not too little, not too much. So now we can launch this series, and I hope a lot of people will learn and watch, because the more subscribers you have, the more impressions your videos get. And one of my goals was that as many people as possible should learn to solve the cube, and now as many people as possible will learn to speed solve. Anyone can learn to solve the cube, but speed solving is different. Because I have also noticed that a year or 2 ago, or even 5 or 6 months ago, the teaching skill that I had, which I don't think is anything special, but after reading people's comments, I now feel that yes, maybe I do have a skill that allows me to teach people. I think I've gotten a little better at making things easier for others. Sometimes I don't know how I avoided certain things. I'm not kidding. Okay, so I think I can explain algorithms F2L-PLL, OLL, advanced cross techniques, or even explain F2L intuitively in very simple words to you guys. What words am I even using? If you don't know about these, there's no need to worry. Guys, you'll understand, so that's it for this video. Thank you, really, thank you from the heart. 500,000 subscribers, and a giveaway is coming soon. I've also put the link to our channel's playlist in the description. I've made a playlist for 3x3 speed solving, and you guys can also go and watch it in the playlist. This is its first video. This is the introduction video, and from tomorrow, the day after, or maybe soon, videos will start coming regularly. You guys just have to follow the playlist in order. Just do what I'm telling you. Just trust me blindly. Do as many solves as I'm telling you to do. Follow the practice techniques I'm giving and whatever else I'm saying. You just have to follow what I say and you'll become a what do they call it? Speed cuber? I don't even know if they call it speed cuber. Yeah, you'll become speed cubers. Let's end the video here. I don't know what else to say. I don't know why I look so good in the video. I'm not actually this nice in real life. Goodbye.